Unit 12. Tape script 12.1. What can you do where? 1,
You can buy a magazine in a newsagent's.
2,
You can buy bread, milk, fruit and meat in a supermarket.
3,
You can get US dollars from a bank.
4,
You can buy stamps and send a parcel in a post office.
5,
You can buy a dictionary in a bookshop.
6,
You can get a medium latte in a coffee shop.
7,
You can buy shampoo and conditioner in a chemist's.
Tape script 12.2. Saying what you want. 1,
Good morning. I'd like some ham, please.
How much would you like?
4 slices.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, I'd like some cheese. Do you have any Emmental?
I'm afraid we don't have any Emmental. What about Gruyere?
No, thank you. Just the ham then. How much is that?
2,
Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'd like some shampoo.
We have lots. Would you like it for dry or normal hair?
Dry, I think.
OK. Try this one. Anything else?
Oh, yeah. I don't have any conditioner. I'd like some conditioner for dry hair, please.
Yes, of course. That's £6.90, please.
Tape script 12.3. Where is Adam? 1,
Is that all? The Times and the 2 magazines?
Yes, that's all. Oh, I nearly forgot. I'd like some stamps too.
First or second class?
First. 2 books of first-class stamps, please.
OK. Would you like a bag?
No, thanks. I don't need a bag.
That's £9.65.
2,
I'd like a latte, please.
Drink here or take away?
To drink here, please.
Small, medium or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like something to eat?
Yes. I'd like some chocolate cake.
Sure. Anything else?
That's it, thanks.
tape script 12.4. Lily and Adam.
What would you like to drink?
A juice. I'd like an apple juice, please.
I have some orange juice, but I don't have any apple juice.
Don't worry. Orange juice is fine. Thanks.
Would you like something to eat?
Yeah, OK. A sandwich. A cheese sandwich?
I don't have any cheese. Sorry. I have some ham. Would you like a ham sandwich?
I don't like ham.
Would you like some cake then?
Yes, please. I'd love some.
Tape script 12.5. It's my birthday.
Hey, isn't it your birthday soon?
Yeah, next week, on the 15th.
So, what would you like for your birthday?
I don't know. I don't need anything.
Oh, but I'd like to buy you something.
That's kind, but I think I'd like to forget my birthday this year.
What? You don't want any presents? Why not?
Well, I'm 30 next week, and that feels old.
30 isn't old. Come on, I'd like to take you out for a meal with some friends. You can choose the restaurant.
OK then. Thank you. I'd like that. Just don't tell anyone it's my birthday.
Oh, that's silly.
Tape script 12.6. Birthday wishes. Kelly.
What would I like for my birthday? Oh, that's easy. I'd like to have breakfast in bed with the newspapers. And in the evening, I'd like to go to the theatre.
Mike.
Well, I'd like a new computer, because my computer is so old that new programs don't work on it. And then in the evening, I'd like to go to a good restaurant. I don't mind if it's Italian, French, Chinese or English. Just good food.
Jade.
I'd love a new mobile phone. My mobile is so old now. I'd like one that takes good photos. Your phone has a really good camera and it wasn't that expensive. And in the evening, I'd like to go out with all my friends and have a great time.
Tape script 12.7. Like and would like.
What do you like doing in your free time?
I like going to the cinema and I like playing computer games.
Do you like playing?
What would you like to do tonight?
I'd like to go out. What about you?
Great. Would you like to go to the cinema?
I'd love to. What's on?
Tape script 12.8. Listening and pronunciation. 1.
What would you like? Would you like a Coke?
Yes, please. I'm very thirsty.
2.
What sort of thing do you like doing at the weekend?
Well, I like watching films.
3.
What sort of flat do you want to move into?
Well,
We'd like a flat with 2 bedrooms, somewhere near the centre.
4.
We have this weekend free. What would you like to do?
I'd like to have the weekend with you, and only you.
Ooh.
5.
What do you spend all your money on?
Well, I like new clothes. I buy new clothes every week.
Tape script 12.9. In a restaurant.
Are you ready to order?
Well, I am. Are you ready, Maddie?
Yes, I am. What's the soup of the day?
French onion soup.
Lovely. I'd like the French onion soup to start, please.
And to follow?
I'd like the salmon salad with some chips on the side.
Thank you. And you, sir, what would you like?
I'd like the tomato and mozzarella salad, followed by the hamburger and chips.
Would you like any side orders?
No, thank you. Just the hamburger.
And to drink?
Sparkling water for me, please. What about you, Liam?
The same for me. We'd like a bottle of sparkling water, please.
Fine. I'll bring the drinks immediately.
Tape script 12.10. Conversations and signs. 1.
Hey, look! That lovely red jumper is only £19.99 now.
2.
Oh, no! I put my money in before I saw the sign.
3.
Can you tell me where the toilets are, please?
4.
Ah, this is our table. It has our name on it.
5.
I'm not waiting. There are so many people.
6.
Which floor is our room on? Is it the 6th or 7th?
7.
Oh dear, we're too late. It doesn't open again until Monday now.
8.
I'm sorry, but you can't walk here. Didn't you see the sign on the gate?